What's up guys, I'm Darren and welcome to our All Access vlog. Featured today on our vlog is the Range Rover HSE, finished in Santorini black and in for a Vehicle Reconditioning Program. In this program, we take vehicles that have been on the road and make them brand new again. The Range Rover Sport was brought to us with damages and scratches to its body and curb rashes on its wheels and a low-quality paint protection film system that had suffered adhesive delamination which left an unsightly residue on the hood and the paintwork of the vehicle. We got to work by repairing and repainting several panels on the car that had an accumulation of paintwork damages. Each panel was carefully color matched to achieve a consistency between the old and the new. We also dismantled the entire caliper system and bled out the existing fluids to restore the brake calipers and repaint them in the client's design of choice. This service is part of our Vehicle Customization Program, which can be configured to accommodate a wide range of services to suit the needs and requests of each client. We then put it through our signature detailing program for a total refresh, covering the exterior paintwork, coachwork, interior, and wheels of the vehicle. The client had also wanted to get their wheels repaired, which were a set of Versteiner Flow Forged VFF 107 wheels. The wheels were then restored, repainted, detailed, and coated, which helps to protect against staining and etching. The exterior paintwork detailing is a crucial procedure that merges the repainted panels with the existing ones to ensure perfect uniformity. To protect the paintwork, we custom fitted the Range Rover Sport with the industry-leading ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film. ClearGuard Alpha is a successor to ClearGuard Nano SR and has been re-engineered to go further to protect the vehicle from swirls, scratches, etchings, and chemical staining. The film also more than doubles the gloss of the paintwork after an installation, and coupled with our seamless fitment, will leave your car with an enviable finish. This program attests that no matter how many years your beloved car has been on the road, it can always be refreshed to a better than showroom condition. That's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.